Good morning, beautifuls. How y'all doing today? Happy October the 7th. Welcome back to another video. Today is a beautiful day, guys. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Do something good for yourself and do something good for others. All right? How about that? Ooh, that's a little bit too much right there, right? That just go to show you, y'all. She don't really do no makeup. Let me put some right here then. Y'all, how is y'all doing for real? Huh? It's a beautiful day. Don't be out here complaining, y'all, in these streets. Whatever it is that come your way, take it. Escada. Whatever it is that comes your way, take it at face value, okay? He never said every day was going to be easy, but he did say that if you dwell in the shelter of the Most High, the Almighty, he will renew your strength. He will take care of you, okay? That's what I want to tell you guys today. Read Psalms 91. He will take care of his children. No need to worry. No need to fight. No need to argue. No need to prove. As long as God is on your side, that is all you need. Doesn't matter what nobody else thinks about you, what nobody says about you. You are loved by the Most High. And that's all that matters. And can't no one take that away from you. So guys, with that being said, I will see you guys later. Do y'all want an OOTD of the day? Hold on right quick and I'll give it to you. OOTD of the day. Yeah. Gucci slides. Fake Gucci slides. Denims. Distressed. Nice sweater for fall with the bows in the back. All right, y'all. I will see you guys in the next part of the video. I'll see you guys later. She has to go to work. Bye, y'all. Do you guys see this? Oh my God, I feel like I'm in a tsunami. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all, it is raining cats and dogs. Can y'all hear it? I will see you guys when I get home. It's about 5:48 and I'm just now getting home. Well, I'm just now getting off to get home. I will see you guys momentarily. Hey y'all, I am back home. But y'all, it is raining so crazy outside. It took me like a whole half an hour to get home. So it's about 6:10 now. I'm gonna go ahead and work on these bottles. We're gonna work on these. So I decided to put, okay, this is what I decided to do. Can y'all see me? Hold on. I decided to put, these are gonna be the kitchen ones. So this one goes in here. So this is the lotion and mixed with oil, and this is dish liquid. And then for these two, I have my old soap in here and my body wash here, and then this one is going to house my what do you call it? This is going to house my y'all, I can't remember. It's going to house my conditioner. That's what it's going to do. But guys, today is an amazing day though. Today is a day full of joy, peace, all that good stuff. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm going to take this one, if I can get it out. If I can get this out, we're going to take this one. Y'all, I can't even get, how in the world did he put this in here? Let me move this. So this one here, I'm going to give to somebody. And I'm going to put, y'all, if I can get this out of here. I don't even know how to do it. Wait a minute. I'm going to come back, y'all. Hold on. Oh my God, y'all. It took everything to get this out of here. But what I'm saying is, I'm going to put the conditioner in the other bottle. And then I'll place the ones in the kitchen, and I'm going to place the amber jars in the bathroom. So stay tuned, and I'll come back and show you guys, okay? All right, y'all. These things is giving me a hard time, so y'all get what I'm trying to say. I'm just trying to get things done to the house so I can just be like, whoo, so I can be able to breathe some. But it's taking me a long time. What I have to do is just pump this sideways like that so it can go in there, because when I try to get it so thick, if y'all ever used this before, if you ever use the Giovanni, it's very, very thick conditioner. So this is going to be my conditioner for the bathroom in this jar. And then I'm going to give this one away. And then I'm going to keep this one for like body stuff. And this one here I'm going to give away. I'll probably give this to my mom because I'm trying to get her to use more, you know, the more glass bottles than the plastic. But I got these two, so these two will be going in the bathroom. And then these two are going right here. So let me finish doing this stuff. I'm actually watching, what's the name of this movie? Y'all, my mind. This ain't my type of day right now, how my day went with all this rain. But let me show y'all what movie. This movie right here. Big Mama something. Oh, soul food. Y'all, I'm tripping. It's soul food. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put these things where they belong. Probably call it a day. I know this is a short video. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. I got the dryer is going, so that's what that noise is. And I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? If that's okay with you. So hold on, let me put these things where they go, and I will see you guys. Don't forget, love yourself so that you can love others. So this will be a much better place. I'm going to fix me something for dinner. So if I'm able to fix it and put it in this video, I will do it because I'm trying to get this video out today. It's the 7th. Yeah, I'll see you guys momentarily. Guys, this is what I put together. I got some salad with some sweet potato fries. I can't wait. Uh-oh. So y'all check me out on my other channel, Simply Black Vegan, because I did post a video yesterday on the other channel. Okay, so go check Simply Black Vegan. But guys, this is my salad. Got sweet potato fries. The salad has these pickles is on the haul. Tomatoes, nutritional yeast for like cheese, mushrooms, and spinach. And yeah, so I'm gonna sit down here and finish and eat and watch the movie a little bit. Y'all, I ain't the average YouTuber. I gotta go to work, okay? She has to work and then she gotta come home. But today was a late day. But yeah. Y'all remember this movie? Oh, y'all, she a stank hoe, okay? I did like this part though. I used to love that. Look at him. Oh my god, y'all. Nope. But guys, I'm gonna in this video, but I wanted to show you my video like I said. And I will see you guys in a better fun video. But today was just getting things done around the house like I said, and yeah, just a regular day. So I hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you in the next one. Like I said, I'm gonna finish my meal. But if you stayed this far and this long, please hit that subscribe button, okay? All right, I would appreciate it. We getting there, y'all. We're growing. We're growing. But I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. This plant felt like something was crawling on my back. That guy Limo here, he don't even look at him. Him look so young. But guys, I gotta go. Okay, she about to eat. She about to eat her meal, and she will see y'all tomorrow. All right, peace. Bye.